Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best brake light socket is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car, but it plays a vital role in ensuring your brake lights function correctly, which directly impacts your safety and the safety of others on the road. A faulty brake light socket can lead to unexpected brake light failure, increasing your risk of accidents, so choosing a reliable and durable replacement is crucial. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect brake light socket for your vehicle, ensuring optimal performance and peace of mind. Number 5. iJDMTOY 3157 Wiring Harness. This is the iJDMTOY 3157 pre-wired harness, designed for easy installation and repair of your vehicle's lighting system. It's compatible with a wide range of bulbs and makes upgrading your lights a breeze. It features heavy-duty wiring and heat-resistant nylon sockets for superior durability and safety. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable connection. This harness works with many different bulb types, including 3157, 3057, 3155, and more. Check the compatibility chart to see if it fits your vehicle. Say goodbye to complicated wiring. This pre-wired system makes installation quick and easy, eliminating the need for cutting, soldering, or splicing. Whether you're repairing existing lights, replacing old parts, or creating a custom setup, it's the perfect solution for your automotive lighting needs. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Don't let faulty wiring dim your lights. Upgrade to the iJDMTOY 3157 harness for a safer and brighter driving experience. Order yours now. What we like. This option is pre-wired for quick installation, saving you time and effort. Its heavy-duty design ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a versatile solution compatible with various bulb types and applications, this is the one for you. What people say. The gasket seats snugly, and the installation is easy with matching wire colors. Worked perfect. Fit correctly, bulb fits right, wires decently sized, gasket included. Number 4. Dorman 923-034 Tail Lamp Socket. It's designed to perfectly match your original tail light socket, ensuring a seamless fit and function, just like the original. This is the perfect replacement if your old socket is missing, broken, or corroded. It's a reliable fix for water or debris damage. It's built with high-quality components for long-lasting performance and reliability. You can count on it to work for years to come. We're backed by a team of experts and over a century of automotive experience. You're getting a product you can trust. Use our online tool to verify fitment for your vehicle. Look for the confirmed fit bar. An I in a blue circle means extra verification is needed. This is a simple replacement that can save you time and money. Get your tail lights working again quickly and easily. What we like. It's designed as a direct replacement for your original socket, ensuring a perfect fit. This ensures reliable performance and a long lifespan. If you're looking for a simple, dependable replacement for a worn-out or damaged socket, this is the perfect choice. Number 3. GLL Standard 1157 LED Bulbs. Give your car's lighting system a boost with these easy-to-install LED bulbs. They're designed for a secure and reliable fit. These bulbs feature a standard 1157, BA15D, base, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. It's a simple and direct replacement for your existing setup. Built with high-quality plastic and electronic components, it's designed to withstand the elements. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. With dimensions of 15 by 3.5 cm and a wire length of 11 cm, it's compact and easy to install. This makes it a perfect solution for upgrading your car's lighting. This holder keeps your 1157 LED light bulb securely in place, providing a stable and reliable connection. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your lights are firmly installed. Simply replace your old sockets with these pre-wired units. It's a quick and straightforward process, even for beginners. If you encounter any issues, our customer support team is available to help. We're committed to resolving any problems within 24 hours. What we like. This waterproof design protects against the elements, extending its lifespan. It's specifically designed for 1157 bulbs. If you need a simple, waterproof replacement for your 1157 bulb socket, this is a great option. What people say. It was a perfect fit for my 2008 Hyundai Elantra. It took about 5 minutes to install. Great product. Fit excellent in my 2005 Hyundai Accent. I'm doing work on a 74 Volkswagen Westphalia. Oddly enough, the rear tail lights come with 3 bulbs, but they have room to add a 4th. I cut the hole in the housings and installed these sockets. It gives me twice the light that I had before. The sockets are great, they fit once I made the opening for them. I locked them in place with a hot glue adhesive. Boom! Upgrade done. Number 2. iJDMTOY wiring harness. This wiring harness makes installation a breeze. It's designed for a seamless plug-and-play experience, saving you time and effort. It features multiple connectors, including 1157, 2057, 2357, and 7528. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of applications. Before purchasing, please compare its shape, locking tab, and terminal count to your existing setup. This will guarantee a perfect fit. It's made with high-quality, heat-resistant materials for long-lasting performance and safety. The copper wiring and silicone insulation ensure reliable connectivity. This pre-wired system is perfect for repairs, replacements, or custom modifications. It eliminates the need for tedious wiring work. The exact fit connector and robust pigtail wiring ensure reliable electrical connections. It's a dependable solution for your automotive lighting needs. What we like. This product features a robust metal socket for superior durability and heat resistance. It offers a seamless plug-and-play installation. If you value durability and ease of installation, this is a great option for you. What people say. With some basic wiring knowledge, you can save yourself hundreds of dollars in mechanic labor fees. Easy to install, only have to trim one ear plug and use old gasket as new gasket was too thick, 15-minute job, wire colors matched exactly. The metal socket base with pigtail wiring harness is a durable and reliable solution for electrical connections. It came quickly and did what I needed it to do. Number 1. iJDMTOY 1157 wiring harness. This wiring harness ensures a smooth and easy installation process. It's designed for a perfect plug-and-play experience, saving you time and effort. It works with a wide range of LED bulbs and vehicle lighting systems. Double-check the connector shape and pin count to ensure it's the right fit for your car. Built with heat-resistant nylon and silicone-insulated copper wiring, it's designed to withstand high temperatures and provide reliable performance. With its simple design, it eliminates the need for complex wiring modifications. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. Perfect for repairs, replacements, or custom installations. It simplifies the process and makes upgrading your vehicle lighting a breeze. The precise connector and robust wiring ensure a secure and reliable electrical connection, providing peace of mind. What we like. The extra long wires provide flexibility during installation. It offers broad compatibility with various bulb types. If you need a solution with easy installation and wide compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. This worked great for my car. Installed in less than 5 minutes, good as new. The housing notches all line up and fit, except one. It is slightly too long to fit and allow it to go in place. Very easy to install. Casing was slightly different than the original. So it didn't fit back in exactly, but as you can see the light is working again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.